Before we begin to the main point, let us introduce ourselves. I am Anisan Laila and my friend.
Siti Salamatus Sadat.
We from Economy Sharia Department of Kiai Haji Muhtar Syawat University will explain you about 5 pillars of Islam.
Islamic faith is built on 5 pillars. The irrevocable pillar is a set of faith, a belief in the only one Allah. Branching from this belief, which is volitional and could be described as an action, are 4 other activities of faith, each of which is a vital part of Islam. The ritualistic pillar are well known to the non-Muslim world. The frequency of death being carried out ranging from daily to at least once in a lifetime. The first pillar, Shahadat or witnessing. Shahadat is a set of faith and reflects a genuine belief in Allah and testifies His oneness and consequently the rejection of any other deity. Of the 5 pillars, this is the one that encompasses all others. The tip of the pyramid adherence to the other 4 is irrelevant without this fundamental belief.
3. Second pillar is Salah or prayer. Salah is the verbal testification that there is no God but one God and that Muhammad is his messenger. It is a ritual prayer that occupies a key position for 2 reasons. First, because it is distinctive mark of the believer. And second, because it precludes, in theory, an individual from or short of sin and temptation by providing him with direct communion with his Creator 5 times a day, and allows him access to correct behavior. Regarding Allah, the Quran states, "You alone we worship, and you alone we turn to for help. Guide us to the straight path." The third pillar, Zakat or poor tax. Zakat or poor tax is an important pillar of Islam. In the Quran, Salah and Zakat are generally mentioned together. Like Salah, Zakat is a manifestation of faith that affirms that God is the sole owner of everything in the universe, and that what man possesses is merely entrusted to them. God ultimately makes trustees of his believers. This is illustrated by verse, "Believe in Allah and His Messenger, and spend of that which He made you trustees." In this respect, zakat is an act of devotion which, like prayer, brings the believer nearer to his Lord. Aside from its spiritual significance, zakat is, in practice, a means of redistribution of wealth in a manner that narrows the gap between classes and groups, thereby contributing to social stability. Muslims believe that the practice of giving alms to the poor puts the soul of the rich of selfishness and the soul of the poor of envy and resentment against society. Zakat is therefore not always a personal act of worship. Where it's not given freely, it can, if necessary, be accepted by force. 3.
The fourth pillar, Siyam or fasting. Siyam, fasting during the daytime during the month of Ramadan, is a well-known pillar of Islam. The main function of fasting is to make the Muslim pure from within. Just as the other aspect of the Sharia make him pure from within. Muslims hold that by fasting and engaging in the spiritual purity fasting brings, they are able to respond to what is true and good and shun what is false and evil. This principle is outlined in the Quranic verse. Oh, you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, that may gain pity. In a well-authenticated tradition, the Prophet reported a sign of the Muslim. He suspends eating, drinking, and gratification of his sexual passion for my sake.
The 5th pillar is Al-Hajj or the pilgrimage. Every year, on the 9th day of Zul al-Hajjah, there is a pilgrimage to Mount Arafah and Mecca. It is the duty of each Muslim to take part in this pilgrimage, at least one in his lifetime. provided he is financially and physically able. It is a very important pillar of Islam and displays a unity unique to the religion. Muslims flock all corners of the world wearing the same dress to signify equality regardless of wealth, color, language, and other. Respond to the call of Hajj in one voice and language. Labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Muslims performing the Hajj are required to exercise strict self-discipline and control, not at least because Mecca is a holy place where sacred things are revered. Even the life of plants and birds is made inviolable, so that all elements are in harmony. And he that venerates the sacred things of God, it shall be better for him with his Lord. The pilgrimage is in response to the call made by the prophet Abraham, or the father of the prophets, on this day.